Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Outlook account online. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Outlook account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And in the search bar, click over there and type in outlook.com like this and hit enter. And you'll be redirected to the home page of Outlook where you can see the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen. Click over there and you'll be required to enter your email address or your phone number or your Skype address with which you had registered on Microsoft or Outlook itself. And after entering your email, or you can also create one if you have not yet created an account on Microsoft. That being said, after entering your email, click on next, and of that enter your password over here. My computer has auto-filled it for me like this. And after entering your password, click on sign in. But before that, if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgot password to go through procedure to reset your password. With that being said, click on sign in and let's click on no. And the guys, we have successfully logged into our Outlook account online. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment sections below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.